Intel Core i7-5775C is a CPU that was launched by Intel in 2015. This processor was part of Intel's Broadwell lineup and was built on a 14nm manufacturing process. The i7-5775C was designed to be used in high-performance desktops and offered impressive features, such as higher clock speeds and an integrated graphics card. In this article, we will take a closer look at the i7-5775C and analyze its performance, power consumption, and other features. Performance. The i7-5775C is a quad-core processor with a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz and a maximum turbo frequency of 3.7 GHz. It has a total of 8 threads thanks to its hyper-threading technology. This processor has 6 MB of 3-layer cache and supports DDR3 memory up to 1600 MHz. Compared to its predecessor, the i7-4770K, the i7-5775C has a higher clock speed and offers better performance. In fact, according to benchmarks, the i7-5775C offers a 10 to 20% increase in performance compared to the i7-4770K. One of the most impressive features of the i7-5775C is its integrated graphics card. The i7-5775C comes with Intel Iris Pro Graphics 6200, which is a significant improvement over the integrated graphics cards of previous Intel processors. The Iris Pro Graphics 6200 offers better performance than most dedicated graphics cards in the same price range. It has a maximum clock speed of 1150 MHz and supports 4K display resolutions at 60 Hz. Power consumption. The i7-5775C has a TDP, thermal design power, of 65 watts, which means that it is a low-power processor that can be used in small form factor PCs. Despite its low power consumption, the i7-5775C offers excellent performance and can easily handle demanding tasks such as video editing, gaming, and running multiple applications simultaneously. One of the reasons why the i7-5775C has such low power consumption is because of its 14nm manufacturing process. The 14nm manufacturing process is more efficient than the previous 22nm manufacturing process used in the i7-4770K. This means that the i7-5775C uses less power and generates less heat, making it an ideal processor for small form factor PCs and other low-power devices. Other features. The i7-5775C comes with a range of features that make it an excellent choice for high-performance desktops. One of these features is Intel's Turbo Boost Technology 2.0, which allows the processor to automatically increase its clock speed when necessary. This means that the i7-5775C can offer even better performance when it is needed, making it an excellent choice for gamers and other power users. The i7-5775C also supports Intel's hyper-threading technology, which allows the processor to handle more tasks simultaneously. This means that the i7-5775C can handle multiple applications and threads at once, making it an excellent choice for users who need to multitask. The i7-5775C supports Intel's Advanced Vector Extensions 2.0, AVX 2.0, which is a set of instructions that are designed to improve performance for compute-intensive tasks, such as video encoding, scientific simulations, and 3D modeling. The i7-5775C's AVX 2.0 support means that it can handle these tasks more efficiently, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need to run demanding applications. In terms of gaming, the i7-5775C offers excellent performance with its high clock speed and impressive integrated graphics card. The Iris Pro Graphics 6200 provides a significant improvement in graphics performance compared to previous integrated graphics cards, making the i7-5775C a great choice for gamers who want to play their favorite games without the need for a dedicated graphics card. For professionals who need to run demanding applications, the i7-5775's support for AVX 2.0 and hyperthreading technology means that it can handle compute-intensive tasks, such as video encoding, scientific simulations, and 3D modeling more efficiently. The i7-5775's Turbo Boost Technology 2.0 also allows the processor to automatically increase its clock speed when necessary, providing even better performance when it is needed. Overall, the Intel Core i7-5775C is a processor that offers excellent performance, low power consumption, and a range of features that make it an excellent choice for high-performance desktops. While it may not be the latest processor on the market, it still holds up well against more recent CPUs, making it a great option for those looking to build a high-performance PC on a budget.